Welcome back to Pro Cycle Repair with Ian. Today I'm going to show you, a customer just dropped off actually my brother-in-law just dropped off his bike. He has a 2013 Suzuki GSXR 600 and he wrecked it. So today I'm going to show you guys kind of if you want to even take on fixing a wrecked bike, what to look for, count the costs, before you get into it. Also, this is a unique situation like that shadow I did recently where it's a clean title. It wasn't reported to insurance, so you have the opportunity to still recoup that cash that bike is worth that as a clean title. So today I'm just going to show you the basics. I'm going to show you it right now. Basically what we've done so far, what he did is take off the fairings. So all he's done was that, but I can show you the main. It's actually easier for me to show you guys because now we can see the frame to see if there's any, we want to see if there's any cracks in the paint or if there's any, any type of stress on the frame. We want to look for if the forks are bent. We want to look at the shape of the wheels and the tires, all that kind of stuff. So we're going to go over it right now. All right, everyone. So here is our said Gixxer. As you can tell already off the bat, our rear subframe broke. This fairing on this side was fine. It's the other side that was broke. This metal bracket for the speedometer is broken. Our handlebar is broken. This whole side of the fairing, you can see where it's scraped on the ground, was all cracked and shredded. I'm pretty sure, yeah, we got a crack right there on the foot peg. Believe it or not, the shifter's fine though, which is crazy to me. I'm pretty sure this one is broken too, this passenger foot peg. You can see it where it's sheared off on the rear subframe. But yeah, what we're gonna go over is basically we're gonna be looking at our frame, right? So we're gonna look at all the main points, go over it. We're looking for any paint flake, any type of stress cracks. We're gonna look at our welds. We're gonna stand back and look at our forks. We wanna make sure those are straight. The Honda Shadow that I rebuilt, it had bent forks. But these look fairly straight. You really have to look at it at different angles. You gotta look at it from the side. You gotta look at it from the front. I don't think from the point of impact that he did hit, it didn't bend it, I'm pretty sure. But like I said, it's just hard to tell because the point of impact was here. So I don't think it bent it right at the top, but it could have, you never know. But we're gonna be looking at, looking at our disc brakes. We're gonna look at the wheel, make sure that there's no cracks or stress points on that, know where it's bent. Look at our exhaust. We're gonna look at the casings, make sure that none of that's all broken. Here was the point on this side had the impact. We're gonna be looking at the welds again, follow on everything. Look at the neck, make sure there's nothing, because if it hit the stop right in there, right where my finger's at, if it hit the stops too hard, I had to re-weld those ones out. But everything looks pretty mild. He said he was doing about, I think it was 30 when he fell. He hit a curb. So obviously we really want to be looking at those forks again, making sure that our triple clamps aren't broken or stressed in any way. Once I get the handles fixed, we're gonna want to feel that triple clamp to see if that's loose at all. We also, when the bike's up in the air, we want to feel if the bearings are shot in the wheels. But yeah, that's all this basic stuff you want to look at just to make sure that it's still a bike that's repairable. Every bike's repairable, but once it hurts the frame, normally it's not something I want to touch. Even though one of my very good friends can weld, any type of weld. He's an amazing welder. He actually has his own channel. It's just not worth it to me at that point, honestly. But that's just me personally. There's guys that are braver than me. But I just kind of want to show you the basics of it. And based off what I can see, everything's repairable, He already got the new subframe. He already got the new foot bracket. He already got the new passenger back. He got the new handlebars. He already got all new fairings. And I'm just going to show you the build of how to put it all back together. So first thing we already had to do is get kind of all the junk off the back of the subframe. We got, I think this is part of the emissions crap all off. Got electronics, the battery out. And then we have to disconnect the tank, lift that up, and then we can get to that main subframe. But thanks for watching, you guys. I really appreciate it. I'm looking forward to starting a whole nother series of a bike rebuild with you guys. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all your views and your subscribers, and it really means a lot, you guys. It's cool that you guys like watching what I do. So hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and thanks for watching. Bye.